Okay, guys, this is just a test. Because I want to see if it's true to this game, though. I mean, when you get a star and grab someone who is invincible, though, and just throw him, and sometimes it will go through or white, though. See, you don't die from having a star, though. But when I realize I cannot hear footsteps, and then I cannot hear hit sounds, though. That is something that we haven't figured it out, though. But I tried it with Mithra, though, but it didn't even initiate the final that red flash. Seriously, that is just so weird. That is weird how it happened. I was recording, and then this happened. But nothing happened when Mithra just tried to KO with a throw. What it really happened is when I tried to do a invincible kill throw. But what even happened is this. Yes, it did happen like that. And you cannot hear the Kingdom Hearts finishing sound for the ending. I mean, it makes it that you can't hear any sound. So I wanted to end things right now before this is getting too chaotic.